Good morning friends, I am Jyoti Ekar and today I am going to talk about the muscular system. So in muscular system first we see a cartilage. Cartilage is also known as chondro and study of cartilage is also known as chondrology. So there is no blood vessels present in a cartilage. The rubber like a padding that covers and protects the end of the long bones, and the cartilage cells are called as chondrocytes. The three types of cartilage present in our body, there are hyaline cartilage, fibrous cartilage, and elastic cartilage. So the hyaline cartilage is present in a nose, then fibrous cartilage is present in an intervertebral disc, and elastic cartilage is present in a ear. So the muscular system is fully made up of muscles. There are 640 to 850 muscles present in our body, and the 50% of body weight of a human is due to muscles. So the let's we see the properties of muscles. The properties of muscles are contractibility, elasticity, extensibility, excitability, capacity of muscles uh, to then muscles can be stretch and go back to our normal shape. Then the flow chart of a muscular system is first the cells, then muscular tissue, then 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 number of muscles form, then muscular system, and then our human body is formed. Then we see the function of a muscular system. So the function of muscular system is the mobility. In mobility, the muscular system main function is to allow the movement when muscles contract. They contribute to the gross and fine movement. Then second function is a stability. The muscular tendons are stretch over joints and contribute to joint stability. So the stability is the second function. Then posture, the muscular system helps in giving a posture, to keep the body to keep the body in a correct position when sometime is a sitting or a standing. It known as posture. And then the fourth function is circulation. It helps in circulation also. The smooth muscles in arteries and veins plays a important role in the circulation, or further role in the circulation of blood around the body. These muscles maintain blood pressure and circulation in the event of a blood loss or degradation. Then the fifth function is digestion. The smooth muscles in the gastrointestinal tract or a GI tract control digestion. Then our sixth function is organ protection. The muscles in the torso protects internal organ at the front side or at the back side. These are the functions of muscular system. Then there are three types of muscles. These are skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and cardiac muscle, and smooth muscles. So the skeletal muscles is always connect to a bone or a skeletal system. It is a striated, it is multinucleated, it is involuntary, and it is tubular in structure. Then we go forward to a smooth muscle. Smooth muscles, because there is no striation present in there, so it's known as a smooth muscles. And these are the multinucleated muscles. Um, then it is involuntary in nature, and usually covering the wall of the internal organs. Then the third type is a cardiac muscle. It is involuntary in nature. It is multinucleated, and the striations are present in there, and it is involuntary, only cover the walls of the heart. Then we know that the doctor always give us intravenous injection, where the part is known as the muscles where the doctor give injection to a patient is deltoid muscles, means it is present in a arm region, and the second is in a buttocks region. It's known as a gluteus medius, and the the largest muscles present in our body is a gluteus maximus, which is present at the back of our thigh. Then the smallest muscles present in our body is a stapedium, which is present near the smallest bone, that is stapes, located in our ear. Then the strongest muscles present in our body is a masseter, which is present in our cheek. Then we see the shape of bones. Let's see. The first is a femur. The first is a long bone. In long bone, the femur. In long bone involved femur, uh, tibia, fibula, and humerus. These are all the long bones. Then we see the short bones. In short bones, they are involved in tarsals and carpals. Then flat bone. In a flat bone, there are skull, sternum, ribs, scapula, clavicle. These are the flat bones. And then in sesamoid bone there is a patella. Then in irregular bone is a vertebrae. Then sutural in these are the bones of skull. And then pneumatic bones means the air filled cavities, like maxilla, sphenoid, a femur, or a temporal bone. We go forward to the disease. There are different diseases involved in muscular system, that is IVDP. The intravertebral disc prolapse means either the disc dislocate or restrict the skeletal movement. Then the second is a ganglion means swelling in tendon. Then lipidemia, there is a deposition of lipids. Then then dislocation, the complete displacement, or subluxation means partial displacement. Then carpal tunnel syndrome, compression of neuropathy of a median nerve, mainly affecting a thumb. Then Ewing syndrome. Then exocytosis means outside, or exo means outside, or cytosis means bone growth, means the bony growth arising from the surface of a bone. Then fracture it means the breaking of a continuity of a bone. uh, then osteomyelitis, that is inflammation of bones and muscles, or bone marrow. Then osteoporosis, that is increase in bone density. And ankylosis means joint stuffing, in which joints get stuffed. Then systemic lupus erythematosus, uh, that is fused with the bones, so human body not able to bend. Um, then mm, then uh, uh, arthritis means there are three types of arthritis, that are osteoarthritis, gouty arthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. So the in osteoarthritis, it is the inflammation of joint. Gout arthritis is the deposition of uric acid, due to the deposition of uric acid. Then rheumatoid arthritis, it is the autoimmune disorder of a connective tissue in a synovial joints with a remission. This is all about the muscular system. Thank you.